Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part in the lesson social religious reformation movement. So today we have to know about the Prarthana Samaja. Prarthana Samaja, till to yesterday we learnt about the Brahma Samaja, then Arya Samaja. Today we have to know about the Prarthana Samaja. Prarthana Samaja. This Prarthana Samaja was established by, very important, Prarthana Samaja was established by Atma Rama Panduranga. So, to get to know about that, don't get confusion. Brahma Samaja was established by Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Arya Samaja was established by Dayananda Saraswati, and in the same way Prarthana Samaja was established by Atma Rama Panduranga. Atma Rama Panduranga. The same points are same. He also opposed the child marriage, caste system, multiple idol worship, and he encouraged that those two are important. That is same. Okay. He also encouraged for the widow remarriage, caste marriage, and also the female literature also. Female literature means want to give education for the English. That is very important. That is called as the female literature. And he argued that what he has argued actually, so for the in the light of Western education, the interference of or interpretation of the Hinduism is very important. I mean, yes, we are getting the English education, we are becoming a modern, but there we don't want to forget the Hinduism because we basically we are the Hindus. So like that he argued. What is that? The interpretation in the sense interference. Okay, the interpretation of the Hinduism is very important in the light of the Western education. In the light of a Western education or Western thinking. So through his argument, he uphold the Hinduism. That is also very important. And after him, after the Atma Rama Panduranga, who are the next very important person who run the Prarthana Samaja, that is the M.G. Ranade, Mahadeva Govinda Ranade. Full form is Mahadeva Govinda Ranade. M.G. Ranade. Then along with that Bhandharkar and the Chandavarkar. Bhandharkar and Chandavarkar. So they believed a lot. They are the students of or followers of Atma Rama Panduranga actually. So they are popularized the Prarthana Samaja. I mean his teachings, what he has given, everything. So they has to reach the minds of the people through the newspaper or through the media or through the organizations like that. So totally Prarthana Samaja was established by Atma Rama Panduranga, but popularized by the M.G. Ranade. M.G. Ranade means Mahadeva Govinda Ranade, Bhandharkar and Chandavarkar. Yes, next is about the Satya Shodhaka Samaja. After Prarthana Samaja, one more is, that is the Satya Shodhaka Samaja. Yes. So this Satya Shodhaka Samaja was established by the great freedom fighter or reformer, that is the Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule, very important. Satya Shodhaka Samaja was established by the Jyotiba Phule. That is the same. Opposition and the encouraging points are same. He also opposed the caste system, then the gender inequality, and he opened the school for the Shudras. That is very important because he mainly opposed the caste system and opened the school for particularly for the Shudras. Shudra means lower caste people, SC/ST people, and also for the girls. He is giving more important for the girls education. So that's why he particularly opened the school for the Shudras in the sense lower caste people as well as the girls. So his wife is there, Jyotiba Phule wife, her name was called as the Savitri Bai Phule. Keep her mind, Savitri Bai Phule. Savitri Bai Phule. So she was the first teacher of the India. Oh, Savitri Bai Phule, first lady teacher of India. Keep that also in mind. First lady teacher of India, Savitri Bai Phule, because previous year there no one will give importance for the lady education. They are telling that yes, lady is reserved only for the kitchen, like that. So by in that time only Jyotiba Phule encouraged her wife Savitri Bai Phule when he was marrying her. Actually by that time Savitri Bai didn't go to the school or didn't learn anything, but after marrying Jyotiba Phule make her to learn, at least make her to get the basic education like 7th standard. Okay, then he started his own school, that is the girls school. There she became the first teacher in a girls school actually. So how even the not only the people, actually the society were all called as the head of the peoples or the leaders. They only not allow the Savitri Bai Phule to go for the girls education to teach her. So every day she kept her 2 saris. One story is there behind her, actually how she suffered a lot to give education for a girls. That is very important actually. Every day she kept a 2 sari in her bag, not a books. Keep in mind, okay. Book she has taken, she learned, she prepared in a home only and moved for the school actually. Then every day she in her bag she kept a 2 sari. Why she kept a 2 sari actually? When she has moving from her home to school, the peoples are thrown the cow dung water, cow dung in a sense sagani neeru, thrown on her, that cow dung water. Again when she came back, so she moved to the school. There she removed that saree and everything. Later she wore a new one what she kept in her bag. And again when she is coming back, there also again they are doing like that only. Again she removed her saree and wore the new one. So like that she is doing every day. It is not impossible for the other teacher, but she did. That's why she is even till today she was a great teacher. Savitri Bai Phule was a great teacher. We want to remember her. So that is the work of Savitri Bai Phule, and for that the Jyotiba Phule, behind that great support of Jyotiba Phule is there. For that we have to hands of him. Then he worked he wrote the book. Mainly he wrote the books, that is the Gulamagiri and Shatkaryacha. Okay, he wrote 2 books. One is called Gulamagiri and Shatkaryacha. Yes, Jyotiba Phule wrote the 2 books. Okay, through that books he has created awareness in the minds of the people, particularly against the caste system and the girl education, to give a girl education. This is about the who Satyashodhaka Samaja or the Jyotiba Phule. Next is about the Aligarh movement. Yes, this Aligarh movement was started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Very important. That is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. By name only we can guess he was a Muslim. Yes, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So he fought against the tradition, superstition and the ignorance, mainly fought against the tradition, what are the people as following, and also the ignorance and also the superstition. Superstition in the sense ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆಗಳು. And he also opposed the Purdah system and polygamy. Purdah in the sense after the death of the husband, the wife want to shave her head, complete head, okay, till her to death, okay, that is called as the Purdah system, okay. She don't want to leave her hairs and she want to wear the white sari, that is called as the Purdah system, that system, okay, called the Purdah system. Against that, and polygamy in the sense marrying of many wives, that is called as a polygamy. Monogamy means marrying of one wife. And he also, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan also founded the one college, that is Muhammad Anglo Oriental College. That is very important. Muhammad Anglo Oriental College. How to teach the Vedas? Anglo-Vedic College has started. In the same way, Muhammad Anglo-Oriental College has started to teach the Quran for the Muslim, actually, to keep that Quran in a good way, or to get to know the Quran, teachings and everything in an English medium. Muhammad Anglo-Oriental has college. Now it has called as this Muhammad Anglo-Oriental College. Now it has called as Aligarh Muslim University. That is very important. Aligarh Muslim University. Muslims will get the education, higher educations here. So even till today, it's called as Aligarh Muslim University. Then he also started the Mohammedan Liberty Society to drive out the social religious practices, to drive out all the social religious practices what the Muslim also has followed. To drive out that, he started the Mohammedan Liberty Society. He started what? Mohammedan Liberty Society. And he also told to the people, no one, even a Muhammad also did not tell in any pages of the Quran to practice the religious practices, and so that to urge that, to create the awareness, to guide the people about that. So he started the Mohammedan Liberty Society. So this is about the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Basically in Aligarh, it's called as. So it is in Punjab. We can see the more Muslims there. So that's why to give education, higher education particularly for them, he has started the Aligarh Muslim University. So tomorrow we have to discuss about the Ramakrishna Mission and Swami Vivekananda and others. So till that you have to keep watching this. Thank you all.